Welcome to this segment of Behind the Golden Shovel. We have Russell Hurst with us now. He is the president and CEO of Phoenix Specialty Manufacturing right here in Bamberg. And this company has been around for over 100 years. Russell, it's good to have you with us.
Thank you.
Let's talk a little bit about the history of the company and how it got started and how it ended up in South Carolina.
So Phoenix started in 1907 in New York City and started as a specialty manufacturer of washers, shims, and similar parts. Back then, mostly for railroad and some maritime applications. And then I'm part of the fourth generation to lead the business. My grandfather became involved in the business, and in the late 60s, he actually started moving the company south to Bamberg. We've been 100% in Bamberg since the mid-'80s.
Right. So Bamberg, a lot of your employees, you said you have about 120 employees, are from this area. Why do you think this is really a great place for a manufacturing facility like this, besides the employee pool that you have, Russell?
What we love about this area, so you've got the infrastructure that people want. You've got the education, both classroom as well as technical college. You've got healthcare. You've got the broadband access.
Right.
So you've got everything people need, but you've also got that really small town feel, right? The community, the sense of community.
And land, and you've expanded. So actually where we are right now, this is brand new. I think a year ago you had your
the ribbon cutting.
The ribbon cutting for the office space. So we were actually in the plant a few moments ago, and it's absolutely fascinating what you do. And so in layman's terms, could you explain the kind of products that you make and where they go?
Yeah. So Phoenix Specialty, we manufacture low volume specialty stamped parts like washers, shims, gaskets, seals, spacers, and simple brackets. Our customers use these parts in their assemblies, and literally our customer base is from aviation to agriculture and everything in between. We sell to over 2,000 customers per year, and we have shipments mostly in the U.S., but they do literally go worldwide.
And how many, you said something like 30 countries?
30 countries, yeah.
And the parts are very, very tiny, and often you don't exactly know what kind of product they're going into. So Russell, let's talk about the relationship with, you said 30 countries overseas. What does that international piece look like?
So big picture, our customers design their parts, and then we're the contract manufacturer for them. And we ship those parts wherever our customers need them.
Okay.
You know, what's nice about our parts is they're small specialty parts, so it's very easy to do international shipments from right here.
Okay, Russell, you became president in 2019, right before COVID. And so you had to really rethink what you were going to do with the company during that time and had to pivot. So what did you do?
So when COVID hit, there was a lot of uncertainty, right? Nobody really knew what was going to happen. Like most people, so aviation was a big part of our customer base pre-COVID, so we were really worried about that. But that said, we got out in front of it early with our people. So we made a commitment to our people that we were in it together. We didn't have any layoffs or any furloughs. We had previously started working with SCA on the investment and the expansion, and with the approval of our board, we stayed committed to that investment during the slowdown. Biggest thing is we had to pivot the area of focus. So pre-COVID it was aviation, and then during COVID, aviation really went away. So we had to grow some non-aviation customers. We diversified some product offerings, and really doubled down on the even lower volume production than we had done pre-COVID.
Right. You're having a good year in 2023. What can we look forward to in 2024? What's the plan?
So big picture, we're extremely optimistic about the future. You know, we think our product focus with low volume specialty components that are very, very technical in nature, have a lot of demanding requirements. We view ourselves as a market leader, and we see more opportunities for growth. We do think manufacturing is going to continue coming back in the U.S., especially on lower volume type parts. We look forward to being a great supplier for many years to come.
Well, congratulations, good job, and we look forward to the future of Phoenix. And that's it for this edition of Behind the Golden Shovel. We'll see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.